my name is Shourya Saha. I'm the Vice President of the Global Customer Support. So CleverTap University is a place for anyone to find out what we are trying to do as an organization. For my team, every time we have a new engineers sign up, that's the place for onboarding. And even for tenured engineers, that's the place where they come to upskill their knowledge on any new topics. For any new user to the CleverTap platform, CleverTap University is an amazing place to get started. It helps you clear your fundamentals and reduces onboarding time. Completely changes the quality of conversation that you're going to have with your colleagues. For any advanced users, they can come here to find new courses which help them optimize business results and get more out of the platform. Foundation is of course the course to start with. Then there's audience segmentation and mobile engagement, both basics as well as advanced. My favorites being journeys and analytics. When I joined CleverTap, I always found journeys intellectually engaging. Now we have a lovely course in the CleverTap University which completely simplifies for you. I'm envious of all the new joiners who get to learn this during their onboarding. Analytics is another favorite of mine. Post money, I believe analytics is the lifeblood for any business. Pivots, funnels, cohorts, flows are all the cool stuff that you get to learn in your CleverTap University course, which helps you take conducive decisions to get the most out of your business. For every business, customer is the key. CleverTap platform provides great opportunities to engage with your end users. Market to your friends, you are already the domain experts. What the CleverTap University does is help you realize the tools which will actually make your strategies come to life.